Is everyone listening? What a space to be in. Listen. Please, all of you come to relax and listen. See the shape in which you are sitting. This line represents the cosmos with all its powers. Understand? Understand the signs of sound and lines. The moment I utter the word cow, already you will see that 4 leg, 2 horn, 1 tail. It has already appeared in your mind. How many of you feel that? So the sound and lines have a very strong relationship, and it gets established in you before even you become aware of you. Understand? Recently I was reading an article. Even a child who was kidnapped by hyenas and brought up in the forest, never seen any human being, anything of human society. He was suddenly seen when he was 50 by some people who went to forest for hunting. When he was brought to society, even in him, the sound and line connection was established. Even though he was never taught a language, he has never seen anything called humanity or human beings or human civilization, even in his brain, the line sound connection was established. So I wanted to tell you guys, you may have a great doubt. If I was not taught the language, will the connection exist? Yes. The natural sound light connection is called Sanskrit language. Understand? The natural sound light connection, sound line connection is called Sanskrit language. In all of us, the sound line connection, sound and line connection, all of you understand? The sound and line connection is an innate possibility. Means you are born with it. That is why that precedes even before you know you. Even you know you only by the sound line connections you create about you. Are you all able to catch it? See, you start knowing about you only through your root pattern. All of you understand that statement? Your first root pattern. That only is your introduction to you by you. That itself is nothing but the sound line connection. All of you are getting it? So now understand, these lines are the sound line connection of cosmos. This line is sound line connection of cosmos with all its powers. With all its powers. So from today we will be working with this Sri Mantala. It is called Sri Mantala. Please understand, this is not Sri Yantra. On the copper sheet, when these lines are carved, that is called Sri Yantra. If it is done in 3 dimension, it is called Meru. So the same line, if it is drawn on copper, it is called Yantra. If it is done 3-dimensional, it is called Meru. When it is drawn on the floor, it is called Sri Mandala. Understand? Yes. No, just you can hold hands up. Ma. This is the Meru. This is the 3-dimension of what you are sitting, the way you are sitting. The 3-dimension of that is this. Now thou show the Sri Chakrama. This is 2-dimension. What the way you are sitting is carved in a copper. That is Sri Yantra. This is Meru. Yes. And this Meru carved on a Spatika Linga is Sri Yantreshwara, which you will all be given. You will all be given. It's already ready. But first I have to start the process and make the energy move in all of you. And then I will have to take you to the next step, and maybe by today evening or tomorrow morning I will give the yantra, give the Sri Yantreshwara. It's Atma Linga, means it represents the whole cosmos in one form. Because this line represents the cosmos with all its powers. Please all of you listen. Listen. Each experience, during each experience, certain visualizations appear in your inner space. For example, the moment I utter the word joy, you have certain visualization appearing, either sipping a cup of coffee or having an ice cream or a smoke or alcohol. Each one has their own visualization of joy. Peace. Some of you may visualize sitting on the banks of Ganga. Some of you in your native village on the veranda, in the cart. Some of you may be in a beach house. Each one of you have a visualization of peace. How many of you understand what I am saying? Please understand, same way, the moment cosmos utters I, the visualization is the Sri Yantra. Understand? The moment cosmos remembers I exist, that consciousness which cosmos has, for you to understand in a simple way, Mahadeva. When Mahadeva feels I exist, Shivoham, I am Shiva, the visualization he gets is this Sri Mandala. All of you understand? Now, I am going to get into that same space and utter that same word. So, without even you visualize, you don't visualize, you can't actually visualize. It's too complicated. You can't visualize. Simply the whole energy flow in your brain will get aligned to this line. I am not telling some stories. There are so many experiments. In the Facebook you can see where these mantras are uttered, and through that, what do you that machine name I forgot. Tonogram. Tonogram makes the diagram of each sound. See, the sound of the cosmos. It has no specific syllable. The sound of the cosmos has been captured by NASA in a compressed way. That sound, when it is given as an input into the tonogram machine, the machine draws Sri Chakra. How many of you saw that article? It's available in the internet. It's very authentic information, not just some story. Please understand. Actually, that sound is even available in YouTube. Did you guys see that? It's available. Go to the NASA website, you will be able to get that. In YouTube itself, actually, any sound you give, they will show you live and feed that sound and get that diagram and show you in the YouTube, or send it to you by email. That service also available in the YouTube. In the internet they have this service available. if you send this captured sound, the condensed sound, simply it draws the whole Sri Chakra perfectly. So when cosmos feels I exist, becomes conscious, first and foremost visualization is this Sri Yantra, Sri Mandala. This Sri Mandala. All of you are getting what I am saying? So now, I am going to create that very same sound, the sound of the cosmos. So your whole brain will simply align to these lines. When your whole brain aligns to these lines, the various capacities and possibilities of your brain gets awakened. The brain gets awakened. The way the electric signals travel in your brain will become 3D of this line. All of you understand? See, what you saw, the Meru, that is the way the brain signals in your system. In your brain, the signals moving, that gets aligned, literally that shape. Please understand? Literally that shape. And very soon I'll demonstrate it to you guys through the modern day machines and equipments. I'm already working on it. Still the science has not evolved to get the machines. We have not yet developed the machines to see the way the electric signals, the commands pass inside your brain. Our research team said, Swamiji, they can capture, but only for maximum 1 square centimeter they can capture. They won't be able to scan the whole brain and tell how the electric signals are passing. Actually, I asked them, can they see my brain fully, how the electric signals are passing, because when I fall into that samadhi and remember that cosmic me, I know for sure simply the whole Meru is created inside. That is the way the electric signals pass and stands. I thought, is there any way we can photograph it and show it? The doctor said they can only do for 1 square centimeter. Centimeter by centimeter only they can do. They can't do it for the whole brain. I am also into another one research, which is the results the reports may come in June itself. All my spiritual experiences I am repeating under the lie detector. Like Arunagiri Yogeshwara's darshan, I fed Ganesha. See, for all these experiences, we don't have any physical evidence. So I am sitting and doing it under the most powerful lie detectors. Even if one word I think and speak, the graph will show. Only if it is an authentic experience from my core and spelled out, I can pass the lie detector exam. I am doing all this. Whenever I find time, I sit and do all this. Invent ideas. Very soon you guys will get the result. Now just want to authenticate and tell the world, these are all not the stupid imagination of some fellow who is malnutrition or the fellow who is not given enough food, not had enough sleep, who is or gone into some psychic mood. It is not the experience of that kind. It is a experience of the brain which is expressing high potential and capacities, which is above normal, not abnormal, which is above normal. I am trying to establish as much as possible in as many ways as possible to authenticate the Vedic tradition. Anyhow, that is one thing. Now understand this much. The whole signals passing in your brain will be aligned to that Meru shape, which you cannot visualize on your own. Even if you are worshipping that Meru for 20 years, I challenge, you cannot visualize. You can't visualize actually. Anybody Sri Vidya Upasakas? You can't visualize. Try, you can't. Because it has to happen. You can't, you see, even if you try to visualize, only if you move from the next layer, you will be able to visualize. As a whole, you can never visualize. By the time you visualize the next layer, the first layer is gone. You can never hold the whole Meru in you. Because it has to happen, it cannot be done. Now I am making that happen. I am making that happen. Please understand. I am making that happen. I will also be chanting very powerful 16 sounds which awakens all parts of your brain. All non-mechanical parts of your brain will be awakened by these 16 sounds. It is called Shodasi in the tradition of Sri Vidya, which was practiced by Mahadeva. Please understand. In all puja, Mahadeva is a god. In Sri Vidya puja, he is the Rishi, not God. He is the Rishi who taught this science to the world. So understand, this is the most supreme knowledge, the science of sound and line to awaken enlightenment in you. You don't have to worry about remembering this 16 sound. I can give you separately like a printout also. So you don't need, when I am uttering, you just allow them to work on you. That's enough. Don't try to note down, oh, I should take this down, mantra for my repetition. Don't worry about it. Actually, I am going to initiate all of you into Shodasi. All of you into Shodasi. Not just initiate. Initiate is a very small word. Just literally put this into your biomemory and make it as a reality. It is like when they make the 5-metal alloy, first they nicely melt the copper. In that high heat, they drop the gold. So the gold will just merge, get mixed into every pore of the copper. It will not be in one part, oh, gold is only in the top layer, the bottom copper did not receive the gold. It will not be. In that high heat, if the gold is dropped, it will just become one with whole. Same way, I am going to raise the intense energy of your biomemory. In that high space, I am going to drop these 16 syllables into you. So that 16 will become just part of you. That 16 sounds will become just part of you. These 16 sounds are the primal sounds. Adi Yoni, it is called Adi Yoni. It's the original womb. Each one of you came out of your mother's womb. This cosmos came out of the Adi Yoni, the original womb. So this sound is Adi Yoni. This sound is called Brahmanda Yoni, the womb of the cosmos, womb of the whole thing, origin itself. So these 16 sounds can do so many things in you. What all it will do, I'll let you see directly.